Guys, I picked up these boxes from the Dollar Tree, and what I'm going to do is just glam them up a little bit. Alright everybody, I picked up this runner from the Dollar Tree. Alright guys, so here is just my glitter mixture. I did mix a little bit of the jumbo glitter, some of my regular size glitter here, and I did mix in as well a little bit of this mylar. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this and put a thin coat over my runner. Alright everybody, so I have put a thin coat over the top of this, and what I'm going to do is just go ahead and let this sit for a minute, and then I'll go back in and put another coat on top. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh, and if I haven't mentioned, I'm going to do this in sections because this is quite long, and so I'm going to have to let this dry and then do another section. This is just about dry, and so I'm going to go ahead and add a second coat here, and I want this to be pretty covered up, so I'm going to go ahead and just pile it on. And so if you're wondering about how long it's been about 5 minutes. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to take these sequins that I picked up from Walmart and just outline my edge here. I did want to mention that everything on this table is a DIY, with exception of the greenery that was purchased at Joann's. So if you guys are interested, definitely check the description box so you can see how to create these beautiful DIYs. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this little video and have gotten some inspiration from it. If you have, please give this video a big thumbs up, as well as hitting that notification button and subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!